Pipes are everywhere, in our homes, offices, factories, and even under the ground. But have you ever thought about what they're made of? From strong metals like copper and steel to modern plastics like PVC and PEX, each material has its own special job. In today's video, we'll go through 10 main materials used to make pipes, how each one is different, and what makes it perfect for certain uses. By the end, you'll understand exactly why plumbers choose one pipe over another. So, let's begin. 10. PVC polyvinyl chloride pipes. PVC is one of the most popular types of plastic pipes used today. It's made from a synthetic plastic polymer called polyvinyl chloride, which is created by combining chlorine and ethylene gas. Why it's popular? PVC is lightweight, low cost, and easy to install. You can cut it with a saw and glue it with special solvent cement. Main uses. You'll often find PVC in cold water systems, irrigation pipes, and wastewater drainage in homes. Advantages. It doesn't rust or corrode like metal pipes. Its smooth surface keeps water flowing freely. It can last more than 50 years with little maintenance. Disadvantages. It can't handle hot water. It softens when temperatures rise above 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not ideal for outdoor use where it's exposed to sunlight for long periods. PVC is the perfect starting point for beginner plumber. It's cheap, safe, and easy to work with. 9. CPVC chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. CPVC is like PVC's upgraded version. Manufacturers add extra chlorine to the PVC during production. That extra chlorine gives CPVC the ability to handle hot water and higher pressure. Where it's used. Hot and cold water lines in houses. Industrial fluid systems. Fire sprinkler pipes. Advantages. Can handle temperatures up to 93 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Strong resistance to corrosion and chemical damage. Easy to join using solvent cement like PVC. Disadvantages. Costs a bit more than PVC. May become brittle over many years. In short, CPVC is ideal when you need a plastic pipe that handles heat, like in bathrooms or kitchens. 8. Copper pipes. Copper has been used for more than 70 years in plumbing. It's a natural metal that conducts heat and resists bacteria, making it perfect for drinking water systems. How it's made. Copper is melted, purified, and drawn into long tubes of different diameters. Types of copper pipes. Type K, thickest walls, used underground. Type L, medium thickness, used in homes. Type M, thinner, used for indoor water lines. Advantages. Long lasting, up to 70+ years. Doesn't rust or contaminate water. Recyclable and environmentally friendly. Disadvantages. Very expensive compared to plastic. Requires soldering or special fittings during installation. Can corrode if water is too acidic. Copper remains the classic plumbing pipe, reliable, clean, and durable. 7. Galvanized steel pipes. Before plastic was popular, galvanized steel was the standard. These pipes are made of steel coated with a thin layer of zinc to prevent rusting. How they're made. Steel tubes are dipped into molten zinc. That zinc layer creates a protective shell against corrosion. Advantages. Very strong and can handle high pressure. Can be used outdoors and in industrial environments. Disadvantages. Over time, the zinc coating wears off and rust builds up inside. The inner surface becomes rough, reducing water flow. They are heavy and hard to install. Where you'll find them. Older homes built before the 1960s, outdoor water systems, or temporary water lines at construction sites. Today, they've been replaced mostly by PEX and copper, but they're still used where strength matters. 6. Cast iron pipes. Cast iron is one of the oldest pipe materials used in plumbing. These pipes are made by pouring molten iron into molds, forming thick and heavy tubes. Advantages. Extremely strong and durable, lasts up to 100 years underground. Great soundproofing, water flows quietly through them. Fire resistant and reliable for drainage. Disadvantages. Very heavy, hard to transport or cut. Can rust and leak if joints aren't sealed properly. Main uses. Underground sewer systems. Drainage in large buildings or apartment complexes. Cast iron pipes are still loved by many plumbers because of their strength and longevity, especially for drainage work. 5. HDPE high-density polyethylene pipes. HDPE is a strong, flexible plastic pipe that's becoming very popular today. It's made by heating petroleum under high pressure to form a dense, durable polymer. Advantages. Flexible, can bend without breaking. Fusion welding makes leak-proof joints. Resistant to corrosion, UV light, and chemicals. Lasts 50 to 100 years. Disadvantages. Requires special welding tools to join. Slightly expensive to install initially. Uses. Water supply systems. Gas distribution lines. Agricultural irrigation. Sewage lines. HDPE is considered a next-generation pipe, perfect for modern infrastructure because of its strength and flexibility. 4. PEX cross-linked polyethylene pipes. PEX pipes are flexible, plastic pipes designed to carry both hot and cold water. They're made by cross-linking polyethylene molecules, giving the material extra durability and flexibility. Advantages. Extremely easy to install, can bend around corners without fittings. Doesn't freeze or burst easily. Silent water flow, no water hammer noise. Great for hot and cold water systems. Disadvantages. Can't be exposed to sunlight, UV causes damage. Not recyclable yet. Where it's used. Modern homes for water supply. Radiant floor heating systems. PEX is loved by modern plumbers for its speed, flexibility, and efficiency. It's the future of plumbing. 3. Concrete pipes. Concrete pipes are made by mixing cement, sand, gravel, and water, then molding the mixture into circular shapes. They're commonly reinforced with steel bars for strength. Advantages. Incredibly strong, can handle heavy loads underground. Resistant to fire, corrosion, and UV light. Lifespan of more than 100 years when maintained. Disadvantages. Very heavy, requires machines for installation. Can crack due to ground movement or poor installation. Uses. Stormwater drainage. Sewer systems. Culverts and tunnels. Concrete pipes are not for houses, but they're essential for city-level water and waste management systems. 2. Stainless steel pipes. Stainless steel pipes are shiny, strong, and corrosion resistant. They're made from steel mixed with chromium and nickel, which form a protective oxide layer that prevents rust. Advantages. Can handle very high pressure and temperature. Excellent corrosion resistance. Long life and sleek appearance. Disadvantages. Very expensive. Requires skilled welding or special fittings. Common uses. Food and beverage industries. Chemical plants. Hospitals and clean rooms. If quality and hygiene matter more than cost, stainless steel is the top choice. 1. ABS acrylonitrile butadiene styrene pipes. ABS pipes are black plastic pipes known for their strength and impact resistance. They're made from a blend of 3 chemicals, acrylonitrile, butadiene, and styrene, that together form a tough and lightweight pipe. Advantages. Strong and resistant to shocks. Works well in cold climates. Simple to install using solvent cement. Disadvantages. Sensitive to sunlight, can weaken outdoors. Not suitable for hot water. Uses. Drainage, waste, and vent systems, DWV. Underground drainage in cold regions. ABS is an excellent option for indoor plumbing and drainage systems, especially in colder areas. Each of these 10 materials has its strengths and weaknesses. Some are strong, some are cheap, and others are high-tech. If you're working on plumbing projects, always consider temperature of the fluid, pressure in the system, cost and durability, safety and environmental factors. Choosing the right material ensures your system lasts longer and performs better. So next time you see a pipe, you'll know exactly what it's made of and why. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Water Link, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more plumbing beginner training videos every week.